Welcome to Economy Inn & Suites, located in the charming Southridge neighborhood of Denton, Texas. Your home away from home in the heart of the Lone Star State. Our rooms are clean, comfortable, and equipped with all the modern conveniences to make your stay enjoyable. At Economy Inn & Suites, you can look forward to a complimentary continental breakfast, convenient laundry facilities, and a cozy bar to unwind in the evenings. Free in-room Wi-Fi, a business center, and a restaurant are also available to all guests. Explore nearby attractions like the Golden Triangle Mall, Denton Square, Lewisville Lake, and Ray Roberts Lake State Park, just minutes away from our hotel. Whether you're visiting for business or pleasure, Economy Inn & Suites has everything you need for a comfortable stay. Book your stay at Economy Inn & Suites in Denton, Texas, and experience true Southern hospitality.